Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage chic grandma style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage chic grandma style home decor is a cozy decorating style inspired by the warmth, charm and nostalgia of our grandmother's traditional home, but with a more polished and stylish look. Here are some vintage chic grandma style home decor tips. Bring in fresh flowers. Place flowers in ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, or vintage style vases. Add a little crochet cushion covers, table runners, straws, and small handmade accessories fit the style beautifully. Mix patterns carefully. Combine florals with checks, stripes, or small traditional prints, keeping the colors connected. Leave some pieces imperfect. Slightly aged wood, antique finishes, and well-loved objects can make the home feel authentic rather than overly stressed. Create a cozy reading corner. A comfortable armchair, a small side table, floral cushion, and floor lamp can create a lovely grandma-inspired look. Use a vintage hut. Display crockery, tea cups, glassware, and small collectibles behind glass doors. Add a quilted bedspread. A patchwork or floral quilt can become the centerpiece of a cozy bedroom. Choose traditional curtains. Floor-length floral, gingham, or lace curtains work beautifully in living rooms or bedrooms. Use embroidered details. Embroidered pillowcases, napkins, runners, or wall hangings add handmade character. Bring in wicker and rattan. A wicker basket, chair, or storage pitches adds natural texture without losing the vintage feeling. Use wooden accessories. Wooden trays, cutting boards, boxes, and frames add warmth to the softer fabrics and colors. Use baskets for practical storage. Wicker baskets can hide blankets, books, craft supplies, or everyday items while maintaining the vintage aesthetic. Add seasonal touches. Change flowers, table linens, wreaths, and small decorations according to the season. Focus on comfort first. Soft seating, warm lighting, useful furniture, and plenty of textiles are essential to capturing the welcoming spirit of grandma-style decor. Use floral bedding. Combine a floral duvet or quilt with plain cream or pastel shades for a balanced look. Display pretty linens. Fold embroidered napkins, hand towels, and vintage-inspired tablecloths where they can be seen. Use glass front cabinets. They are perfect for displaying treasured crockery while keeping the room organized. Add traditional wooden shelves. Fill them with books, pottery, framed botanical plants, and small collectibles. Try a vintage vanity. A small wooden dressing table with an ornate mirror can bring old-fashioned elegance to a bedroom. Hang botanical artwork. Pressed flower-style prints and botanical illustrations complement the nostalgic atmosphere beautifully. Add a floral lampshade. A patterned fabric lampshade can instantly soften a bedroom, hallway, or reading corner. Create a cozy entryway. Use a wooden bench, floral cushion, antique-style mirror, and wicker basket near the entrance. Decorate the dining table. Use a lace runner, floral crockery, ceramic centerpiece, and cloth napkins for a traditional tablescape. Incorporate handmade pieces. Crochet, knitting, embroidery, quilting, and simple crafts make the home feel personal. Keep the kitchen warm and welcoming. Display wooden cutting boards, ceramic containers, floral tea towels, and a few favorite dishes. Let the home tell a story. The best grandma chic spaces feel collected over time. So mix meaningful pieces with vintage-inspired finds rather than making everything match perfectly. Add a vintage telephone-style accent to a console or shelf for nostalgic character. Use ruffled or pleated fabrics on lampshades, cushions, and curtains for a softer look. Display decorative plates on the wall in a carefully arranged collection. Choose turned leg furniture such as traditional style tables, stools, and small cabinets. Add a floral armchair as a statement piece in the living room. Create a small breakfast nook with a wooden table, cushioned chair, and floral textiles. Choose traditional hardware such as ceramic, brass, or antique-style cabinet knobs. Use a skirted table to give a traditional room with cozy, nostalgic appearance. Add a small ceramic lamp to bedside table, consoles, or bookshelves. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper borders in hallways, dining rooms, or bedrooms. Create a cozy corner cabinet for displaying teapots, ceramics, and small keepsakes. Add embroidered cushions with flowers, initials, or traditional patterns. Use soft natural materials such as cotton, linen, wood, wicker, and wool to keep the space comfortable. Keep the overall look balanced. Combine ornate vintage pieces with simple furniture so the room feels charming rather than cluttered. Decorate with dried flowers. Lavender, baby's breath, wheat, or dried roses work especially well in ceramic vases. Use fabric-covered storage boxes. Floral or gingham boxes can keep everyday items organized while fitting the theme. Use fabric lampshades. Pleated, floral, or embroidered shades create a softer and more nostalgic atmosphere. Add a fabric-covered ottoman. Choose floral, towel, or muted patterned upholstery. Add a vintage-style telephone table. A small table with a drawer can become a useful hallway accent. Use ruffled pillowcases. Subtle ruffles can bring a charming traditional bedroom feel. Add a floral wastebasket. Even practical items can contribute to the overall vintage aesthetic. Create a cozy tea table setting. Pair a lace runner with a teapot, cups, flowers, and a small bowl of grapes. Add a small antique-style cabinet. Use it for linens, books, crockery, or everyday storage. Create a breakfast tray. Keep a pretty tray with cups, a teapot, napkins, and a small vase ready for display. Use embroidered curtains. Delicate embroidery can add detail without making the room feel overly ornate.